Hello children. Children, in the previous video we have finished with the explanation of lesson number 8, that is Birbal and the cooking pot. Now let's begin with the book exercises of this lesson. Take out page number 67 of your English reader books. Let's begin with comprehension exercise A. Write true or false for these sentences. Number 1 is Birbal told Akbar that no ordinary man could survive the cold of the river. True. Second is, the washerman's wife encouraged him to spend the night in the river. False. Number 3 is, a courtier told Akbar that the river was not really cold. True. Then number 4 is, Birbal convinced the emperor to give the washerman his reward. True. Question number B, question answers. This I will make you write in your English 2 copies. Let's move on to play with words exercise. Question number D. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. Now children, here in this box some words are given which have the same sound. Means when we pronounce these words they have the same sound. But their spellings as well as their meanings are different. So we have to fill in the blanks with these words very carefully. After understanding the sentence we have to select the correct word to fill in the blank. Number 1 is, please clean the window dash pane. Here P-A-N-E will come. P-A-N-E, pane. Granny has dash in her knees. Here pane will come. P-A-I-N, pane. Second is, glass dash very easily. Brakes. B-R-E-A-K-S. If you apply the dash, the car will slow down. Brakes. B-R-A-K-E-S. Then number 3 is, Sahil had a large dash of cake. Peace, P-I-E-C-E, peace. Then we all want dash in the world, P-E-A-C-E, peace. Now move on to page number 68. We will do question number E, matchups. Match the names of the people with the work they do. Here the first one is already done in your book. That is, a line is drawn, but children, you will not draw the lines. Write the numbers to match both the columns. Number 1 is, a washerman washes clothes. This is number 1. Number 2 is, a waiter serves food in a restaurant. This is number 2. Number 3, a nurse takes care of the sick. Here you write number 3. Number 4 is, a poet writes poems. Here you write number 4. Number 5 is, a farmer grows crops. This is number 5. And number 6 is, an artist draws and paints pictures. This is number 6. So the sequence is 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. Now let's move on to question number F. Use a dictionary to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Children, alphabetical order means we have to look for the words which begin with A, then B, then C, then D. Like this, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now here, all the words are beginning with M. So we will see the second letter. That is, here I is there, A is there, again A, then O. Then now, from the second letters we are going to choose which will come first and which will come in the second place according to the alphabetical order. So here I have already written the numbers. So number 1 is magical, number 2 is majesty, number 3 is minister, and number 4 is morning. In number 2, number 1 is remind, number 2 is reply, number 3 is revise, and number 4 is reward. In number 3, number 1 is twice, number 2 is twinkle, number 3 is twisted, and number 4 is two. Now let's move on to grammar fun exercise. Write here English 1, as this grammar fun exercise is a part of English 1 syllabus. Question number G is, fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. Now children, first of all I will tell you where do we use is, am, are. Children, is used when we are talking about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Am is always used with I, and are is used when we are talking about more than one person, more than one place, more than one animal, or more than one thing. And are is also used with you. Whenever we begin a sentence with you, we use are along with you. Now let's start with the first one. The minister dash in his house. Here minister is only one person, so is used here. Second is, we dash very happy with you, young man, said Akbar. Here we is used, we means more than one person. So are will come here. Number 3 is, the princess dash very kind. Princess means only one. So Is will come here. Then number 4 is an apple dash red in color. We are talking here about only one apple. So is will come here. Number 5 is where dash the rest of the books. Books means plural, more than one. So R will come here. Number 6 is the baby dash sleeping. Here we are talking about only one baby. So is will come here. And number 7 is I dash happy to meet grandpa. As I told you in the beginning of this question that am always comes with I. So am will come here. Now let's move on to question number H, which is given on page number 69. Take the correct sentences, put a cross against those that are incorrect. Number 1, now you have to be in these sentences we have to see whether the sentence is correct or not. The formation of the sentence is correct or not. Sanjana and I am going to the Jim Corbett National Park today. This is wrong because here am will not come. R will come because here we are talking about two people. So put a cross here. Number 2, Jyoti and Arbaz are neighbors. This is correct. Put a tick here. Number 3 is my parents am going out of town next week. This is wrong. In place of am, are should come here. My parents are going out of town next week. Then number 4 is John is Nitika's cousin. This is correct. Put a tick here. And number 5 is Mahir and Susan is meeting for the first time. Is this wrong here? Because here we are talking about two people. So R will come, R should come here. Mahir and Susan are meeting for the first time. So this sentence is wrong. Put a cross here. Now children, take out your English workbooks. Take out page number 34 of your English workbook. Let's start with the workbook exercises. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words within the brackets. Now here in these sentences children, two words are given in the bracket. The sound is the same when we pronounce them, but the meaning is different. The spellings are also different and the meaning is also different. So we have to fill in the correct word in the blanks according to the sentence. Number 1 is try this pill for the dash in your stomach. Here PAIN will come, pain in the stomach. Number 2, we will get dash the bus at the zoo. Off means moving out of the bus. OFF will come. Number 3 is the wound will dash soon. Heal, HEAL will come here. Number 4 is the baby dash when the rattle fell out of his hand. Here bald will come. BAWLED, bald. Means the baby suddenly cried very loudly when the rattle fell out of his hand. Then number 5 is can you help me to untie this knot in my shoelace. Knot here KNOT. Number 6 is Ruby's mother took her to the dash to buy supplies for her drawing class. Mall, MALL, mall. Now let's start with question number B. What do you do at these places? Choose words from the box. At a cinema, what do? You watch a movie. So here you write watch. Number 2, at a cricket match, you cheer for the cricketers. So here you write cheer, CHEER. Number 3 is in a kitchen. Obviously you cook in a kitchen, COOK. Number 4, in a park, you play, PLAY, play. At a restaurant, you go to a restaurant to eat food. So here you write eat. And then the last one is in a library. Obviously you go to read books. So here you write read, READ, read. Now question number C is, again this question as we have already done in read a book. The same kind of question is there in this in the workbook also. Use a dictionary and arrange these words in alphabetical order. First one, undefeated, then under, undo, undue. Then second, bracelet, brain, branch, brave. Number 3 is dread, dream, drench, dress. Then number 4 is moral, more, morning, mortal. Number 5, shock, shoe, short, shouting. So children, this was all there regarding the workbook exercises. Now take out your English 2 copies. Let's do the question answers of this lesson. Children, take out a new page in your English 2 copy. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 8 on the first line. Name of the lesson, that is Birbal and the cooking pot, on the second line. Let's start with question number 1. What did Akbar want to test? Question mark. The answer is Akbar wanted to test the strength of the common man in his kingdom. Second question is, What did the drummer announce to the people? Question mark. The answer is, the drummer announced that anyone who could stand for one night in the river near the palace would be richly rewarded. Full stop. Question number 3 is, who won the test set by Akbar? Question mark. The answer is, a poor washerman won the test set by Akbar. Full stop. Children, here Akbar A will be capital as it is the name of a person. Question number 4. Why did Akbar not reward the man at first? Question mark. The answer is, it was because a courtier told Akbar that the river water was not really cold as the lights from the palace kept it warm. Full stop. Question number 5 is, what did Birbal do to make Akbar realize his mistake? Question mark. The answer is, Birbal tried to cook food by hanging the pot on a branch of a tree and burning the fire on the ground to make Akbar realize his mistake. So children, here we finish with the question answers also of this lesson. I will show you the question answers once again. Go through them very carefully and write them in neat handwriting in your notebooks. So, this was all there regarding this lesson. Thank you.